Night time at the portals of Madrid.
Here, we'll await the night. What think you?
Sure. 'Tis hard to recognize Don Juan. There are so many like him.
Are you joking? Who will recognize me?
Why, the first watchman that you meet, or gypsy, or drunk fiddler, or your own kind, some sussy cavalier with flowing cloak and sword under arms.
What matter if I recognized it? Provided I meet not with the king himself, I fear no any other soul in all Madrid beside.
Tomorrow it will reach the king's own ear that Don Juan is in Madrid again, without authority to return from exile. And then what will he do?
He will send me back. Oh, my dear. They will cut off my head, you know. No crime have I committed against the state. He sent me off from very off of me in order that the murder man's relations might cease to worry me. We seem to know this place. You recognize it.
How can I forget? You used to come on visits here, while I would hold the horses in this grove. A cursed duty, I do confess. More pleasantly you spent your time here than did I.
Oh! She's no more.
Inez, the black-eyed girl. Oh, I remember. For 3 long months, you courted her in vain. 'Twas only through the devil's help you won.
Twas in July, at night. I used to find very strange pleasure in her melancholy gaze and in her ashen lips. Curiously, you, it seems, did not consider her a beauty. And in fact, there wasn't much real beauty in her hair, but her eyes alone, and her glance, such a glance I've never seen so red. And then her voice was soft and weak, as though she were not well. Her husband was a rough and heartless blackguard. Oh. I realized too late. Poor Inez.
What of it? On her heels came others. And if we live, there will be others still.
And so,
And now, what lady in Madrid shall we be seeking out?
why, whom but Laura?